Looking for flooring that is both durable and aesthetically pleasing? Flake Flooring is for you. Call us today about your free consultation. The first step to a flake floor is grinding down any existing coating, bringing it down to a smooth concrete. Once that's finished, the first layer of epoxy can be poured. After the epoxy is cured, the colored flakes can be broadcast into the floor and the top coat is applied. Flake floors have the same benefits as epoxy and are able to withstand heavy foot traffic, spills, and impacts. The flakes come in many different colors and sizes and are perfect for any space where looks are key. Let our family at HPS help you choose the best floors for your business. For more information, contact us today at hpsfloors.com or call us at 732 384 5577.